Hi, I'm Matthew Smith, and I want to speak on a topic that I have struggled with in this class. I constantly have to go back into my notes and figure out where the feature is and how to do it. That is the header and mainly the footer is what I want to show you today. So, in order to insert a footer, usually it was on the Page Layout tab, but on Excel 2016, you go to Insert, come all the way to the right, Text, Header and Footer, right there. So here it gives you the header, and you want to go to the footer. So here you go, click on Design, go to Footer. Now in a footer, you want the sheet name code in the center, the file name code on the right, and your name on the left. So here I'll put in my name. Next, in the center, you want to put the sheet name code. Over here, here it is, right here, just press sheet name. And then the right, you want to put file name. Click on file name, enter, and you should be done. Just like that, your footer is done. I know it seems just like that, but it was a very hard topic for me, and I'm glad I could share it with you. Thank you.